So hello viewers, I welcome you all in Matthew channel. This is my first English video on the topic of the cover order, and overall it is my first English video on my channel. Okay, so today we are going to see the how to place the cover order in Zerodha Kite 3 mobile application. Okay, so first we are going, whenever you are going to place the cover order, your object it should be the defined, whether you want to place the cover order on the buying side or you want to place the cover order on the selling side. It is depend on you. Okay, so for placing the cover order you can select the any stock as per your choice. Okay, but before you going to place the cover order, you should know about the stock. Okay, whether it is the stock, the price will increase, or stock price it will going to decrease. It depend, you have to it should be known to you. Okay, so first we are going to start our live demo on the cover order. So today I have selected the stock PEL. It is called as Pyramid Enterprises Limited, and I am placing the cover order on the buying side of this PEL. Okay, so first we are going to select the stock. I have selected the stock and I am placed the cover order on the buying side. I will click on buy option. When you will click on the buy options, then this kind of the interface is in front of you. Okay, now you are going to place the cover order, and cover order is a intraday order. It is a intraday order. So you should know about the when we will get the profit and loss into the cover order. Okay, so now you have to scroll down little bit and you will see this kind of the option, four options: regular, BO, CO and AMO. So you have to select the only one option, that is the CO. CO means it stands for the cover order. You have to select which option. You have to select the cover order options, that is called as the CO. So you click on the CO. Now you can see that this, when you select the CO option, it will be the intraday order. Cover order is a intraday order type. And now you wanted the choice on you, it is there. You have to, now you can buy the n number of quantities in the cover order. If you want to buy the 10 quantity, you have to put right here 10 quantities. If you want to buy the one quantity, you can buy that much quantity as per your choice. You have to place here how much quantity you want to buy. Then after that you can see that after that you want to select the price. You are having only the two options. Either you have to select that market price at which that your order will be executed, and it is depend on you. You want to select the limit price. Limit price means as per your choice, this price can, as per your choice, you will be able to buy. Suppose I want to buy this stock at 1151 price, so I can select the limit order and I will enter the value at which price I want to buy. Okay, so in this way you can place. For your live demo, I am going to place this order at the market price. After selecting the market price, the cover order, you have to define a strict stop loss. Okay, if you are not entering the strict stop loss, then it order will not be executed. So I will place the strict stop loss at the 1151. When this stock price will goes down, and as it hit the 1151, so this stock price, this order automatically get exit. Okay, the stock order it get exited from this price. Okay, so we will understand when we will get the profit and when we will get the loss. Right now that price of the stock at that 1151. Okay, so right now here the stock price is at 1155. Okay, suppose the stock price after some time, if it reach to 1157, it means that I have a profit of how much rupees? I had a profit of 2 rupees. Okay, so in this way, if the stock price goes up, there will be the profit on the cover order. And if the stock price goes down, means if it hits the 1151, then it will be a loss. Okay, so in this way this cover order it can be work. So we are going to place the cover order. Now you have to tick on this option on the buy side. Now click on this buy side, your cover order get executed. Now you will see that where you are the cover order, you can able to see cover order, you will see in the order side. Now you have to see the order side. You will see that your stop loss here, it is the 1151. It is already defined. and it is written here, if the stock price hits to 1151, this order get automatically get executed. It will not wait for your instruction to exit from the stock. Okay, now we will see at what price now our stock it is going on. Now you can see these are the my some positions in the today's some stock. You have to just ignore these positions. Okay, so we place the order, it is in the PL. So you can see that our PL stock, it is now right now it is at the 1152. It is means showing the clearly it's a loss of 1 rupees 80 paise. Means we buy this stock at this level, and the stock price right now it is the down. It is down means it is the below, it is there, it's showing a clearly it's a loss of 2 rupees 50 paise. Suppose if it hits the 1151, our cover order will be exited. Okay, so see here, now our still it is that stock price does not touch to 1151, so still it is the still this order it is the active right now also it is there. So suppose if it hits the 1151, this order will be executed automatically. If you suppose if you got the profit of 5 rupees or the 10 rupees, and suppose you want to exit, you cannot exit from this. See here, you cannot exit from this. The cover order will be exited only from the order menu, otherwise you will not going to exit. Okay, let's see here how much profit and how much loss we in right now we are having only a 25 paise it is loss. And now you can see I want to exit because I am showing the live demo on the cover order. So now I am going to exit from the cover order. So what I will do now, I will select the stock. After selecting the stock, you have to click on the exit button, and it depend on you have to exit at which level. So I am going to exit now. Suppose you want to click modify, this you can modify the order. Okay, and suppose you want to exit, so you have to select the exit option and get exit from the stock. So see that our order get completed. Now you can see that we have sold the stock at 1153.85 paise. It means that in this stock we got only 5 paise profit. Okay, so in this way you can place your cover order in this my video today. I hope that you understand the cover order, how to place the cover order, and this is my first English video on my channel. So I hope that you will like that, and please if you are seeing the first time my video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, you can hit the like button. Thank you for watching my channel Maths UV, jहाँ knowledge is supreme. Thank you.